I don't like saying goodbye.
我唔喜歡講再見，
I just don't like saying goodbye.
我唔喜歡講再見。
I think it's a very kind of unique experience of living in Australia,
我諗喺澳洲有一種好獨特嘅經驗，
living in Melbourne.
喺墨爾本，
We get to welcome overseas students,
我哋會歡迎嗰啲海外留學生啦，
a lot of young people coming in with working holiday visa,
有一啲嘅年青人咧，佢哋攞工作簽證嚟澳洲，
and families coming over hoping to get permanent residency visa.
有一啲嘅家庭咧希望嚟到咧攞到永居，
So we get to meet a lot of people.
我哋見到好多唔同種類嘅人，
And as we meet them,
我哋見佢又見面，
we build relationship.
建立關係，
We want to really love them,
我哋好希望去愛佢哋，
look after them, and take care of them.
照顧佢哋。
But the thing is,
但係
the time comes just too quick.
有陣時候時間過得好快，
The time comes just too quick to say goodbye to them.
時間過得實在太快，要同佢哋講再見。
As they have spent, say, a couple of years, 3 years,
譬如兩三年啦，
when they finish their study, they go.
佢哋完成咗佢哋學業，佢哋翻去啦。
Working holiday visa, they come only for 1 year.
工作簽證咧，佢哋嚟1年。
So you pour out love to them, make relationship, and yet you have to say goodbye to them.
當附上好多嘅愛，建立關係，但係好多時候好快咧，就要同佢哋講再見。
And living in Melbourne, we experience this all the time.
我哋住喺墨爾本咧，我哋經常咧會面對咁嘅處境。
When a new family migrates to Australia,
一對新嘅移民咧嚟到澳洲，
we welcome them at the airport.
我哋咧喺機場咧接機，
We find a place for them to live, so we rent a place for them.
帶佢哋咧去睇一啲嘅房屋啦，幫佢哋咧租到一個住嘅地方，
And send their kids to good school.
帶佢哋介紹佢哋一啲好嘅學校去讀書，
Telephone, electricity, internet, you look after them.
電話寬頻都去幫助佢哋去登記，
And you do this with genuine love.
帶住一種咧好真誠嘅關愛，
You really show how much you care for them.
表達咧對佢哋嘅關愛同埋支持。
And yet, again and again, I notice
但係有陣時候我不停開始去發現一件事情，
time comes just so quickly for me to say goodbye to them.
時間有陣時過得好快，要同佢哋講再見。
Each time you say goodbye to them,
每一次咧，有陣時同佢哋講再見嘅時候，
it breaks your heart.
心裏邊咧係真係好心碎，
It's really painful to see them go.
係一種咧好傷痛嘅事情。
What do you do?
我哋應該點樣做呢？
How do you handle that loneliness after having seen the loved one leave you?
我哋點樣面對嗰份嘅孤寂感？當我哋有一啲親愛嘅人咧離開我哋，
I guess if you know early enough that they will be leaving,
如果當我哋咧好早知道咧愛我哋嘅人咧會離開我哋嘅時候，
we can at least prepare a good farewell for them.
我哋會有一個咧好足夠嘅時間咧去同佢哋道別。
We'll have a good family dinner together.
我哋會一齊咧有愛言啦。
We make sure that we have enough time to say enough of these loving words to farewell them properly.
我哋會足夠嘅時間啦，同佢講一啲say goodbye 嘅説話啦，講再見嘅説話啦。
We would take them to the airport,
去帶佢哋去機場啦，
do handshakes, huggings, and goodbyes, and just tear, cry.
我哋會握手，會擁抱，會講再見，我哋會喊。
And we would make sure that we will say these last words with one another.
我哋希望咧講咗我哋想講嘅嘢。
Even as you have prepared that goodbye so well in advance,
有陣時咧，當我哋有預備咧要去講再見嘅時候，
as you have spent enough time having meal together, having goodbye, words of expression of love together,
有足夠嘅食飯、去分享、去喊、去表達我哋嘅講再見嘅時候，
your heart still feels empty.
我哋心裏邊咧仍然有一份嘅空虛感，
You miss them so much.
因為有一種嘅掛念。
And somehow living in Melbourne, we experience this just too often.
我哋有陣時喺墨爾本咧，我哋好經常咧會面對呢啲事情，
So we begin to learn, I don't know, bad attitude.
我哋開始咧有一啲所謂壞嘅習慣，
Maybe I shouldn't love them too much.
心裏邊開始諗啦，或許我唔應該咧將我所有嘅愛咧傾倒出嚟，
Maybe I shouldn't put too much effort in building relationship with people.
或者咧喺我哋唔能夠咧唔需要咧將所有嘅愛咧去建立呢段嘅關係。
Why? Because I want to protect my heart.
點解啊？因為我哋要保護我哋嘅心，
I don't want to see my heart being broken so often, far too many times.
唔想咧再不斷嘅重複咁樣傷心。
So when we see a new family walking into our chapel,
當有啲新嘅家庭咧入到嚟教堂嘅時候，
you rejoice.
係我哋非常之喜樂。
You really want to welcome them and express your love and care for them.
係我哋咧表達咧對佢嗰種愛、接納同埋關心，
But we still ask the question deep inside.
但係內心裏邊咧仍然有一個好深嘅問題問：
Will they leave me too?
佢哋會唔會離開我哋咧？
Yeah, they will leave probably.
心裏邊諗係佢哋會離開嘅。
Knowing that, maybe I might be needing to become a little bit more wiser in protecting my heart.
當我哋知道嘅時候，可能我哋要活得有智慧，就係我哋要保護我哋嘅心。
How do you handle goodbye, especially with the person who's so close to you?
我哋點樣去處理呢個道別咧？特別係同我哋嗰啲好親嘅人。
There are people in my life
係
that I wish to be together for eternity.
有一啲人咧，我哋好希望咧可以同佢咧長久與共。
There is intimacy in relationship.
特別係呢個親密嘅關係，
There is true love.
一個真愛。
So you wish to be with one another for eternity as long as possible.
希望能夠同呢個真愛咧長久與共，永遠不能分離。
But life
但係生命
brings that time where we know we must say goodbye.
當時間到啦，要去講再見嘅時候，
How do you send away the loved one?
點樣同一啲親愛嘅人去道別呢？
No matter how much you prepare that farewell,
無論我哋喺道別嘅裏邊預備幾多，
no matter how much these well-written words of love, words of goodbye to the person,
無論我哋預備幾好嘅嘅
you
分享，
know it's never enough.
永遠都係唔足夠嘅。
What if? What if you don't even get to say goodbye to the person?
有啲嘅情況更加，我哋冇機會去講個再見嘅時候，
What if that loved person leaves you without any notice?
當一個你所愛嘅人離開係冇任何嘅先兆嘅時候，
You know that you didn't get to say goodbye to the person.
你知道你冇機會同呢個朋友講再見。
There are so many things that I wanted to tell him or tell her, but I didn't get that chance.
內心有好多嘅説話咧，想同佢講，但係你冇機會去講嘅時候，
Especially if you have some apologies to make to the person.
特別有一啲嘅説話，特別係嗰啲你想同佢去講話，
You will
饒
want
恕
to
我
make sure that you are genuinely sorry to the person.
你想去真誠去講，同佢講一句對不起嘅時候，
What if you don't get to say that sorry and that person just leaves you?
但係當你想同佢講呢嘅時候嘅，你都冇機會去講嘅時候，點
How
樣？
do you handle that guilt in your heart?
我哋點樣去處理我哋心裏邊一份嘅歉疚？
Your time just freezes, isn't it?
時間好似停留一樣，
Time just stops.
時間好似停留一樣。
How do you handle that pain?
我哋點樣處理我哋內心嘅痛苦？
John chapter 21,
約翰福音21章，
we see Peter and some disciples
我哋睇到彼得同埋佢嘅門徒
going through that pain.
進入呢種痛苦嘅裏邊，
They really love Jesus.
佢哋好愛耶穌，
They genuinely loved Jesus.
佢哋真誠咁樣去愛耶穌。
But on that night when Jesus was captured,
但係當耶穌被賣嗰那一夜，
they didn't get to say goodbye to him.
佢哋冇機會咧同耶穌講再見。
Why? Because they were afraid.
點解？因為佢哋心裏邊非常恐懼，
They were too busy running away from the scene.
佢哋逃跑，
They left behind Jesus.
佢哋捨耶穌而去，
They didn't get to have this proper way of saying goodbye to him.
佢哋冇一個正式嘅道別，
Especially more so with Peter.
特別係彼得。
Peter made a promise to Jesus that he will never leave him.
彼得曾經同耶穌講過話：我永不離開你。
But Peter was the first one to run.
但係佢卻係第一個離開。
How do you handle that guilt
佢點樣去面對內心嘅歉疚，
of leaving behind the one that you love the most?
去遺留一個佢所愛嘅人？
So Peter, out of that guilt, went back to the priest's courtyard.
當彼得咧去到祭司嘅門前，
From distance, Peter is watching Jesus.
喺一個好遠嘅距離，彼得望住耶穌。
He knows that he made a promise to Jesus that he will never leave him.
佢知道佢曾經應許過話：耶穌，我永不離開你。
With all honesty, he wants to keep that promise.
佢帶着佢帶着真誠咧，佢係想去守呢個嘅承諾。
But the circumstance doesn't allow him to do so.
但係情況唔許可，
He's caught by fear.
佢被恐懼佔據。
So as he was warming himself around the fire,
佢喺個火爐前，
he denied Jesus 3 times.
佢不承佢拒絕耶穌3次。
He actually uttered words to say that he doesn't know Jesus.
佢係講都講唔到，佢講出嚟話3次不認主。
He actually expressed with words that he has no relationship with Jesus whatsoever.
佢直情講出嚟話：我同耶穌係毫無關係。
He didn't mean it, but he was afraid.
佢唔想嘅，但係佢因為恐懼。
Gospel of Luke tells us
路加福音嗰度講，
when Peter was denying Jesus for the 3rd time,
當彼得第3次唔認主嘅時候，
Jesus turned around and made eye contact with Peter.
耶穌轉過身來同彼得咧有眼神接觸。
How would you feel if you were Peter, that you've just denounced Jesus and Jesus made an eye contact with you?
你可以想象嘛，當彼得有同耶穌有眼神交流，而呢個眼神交流嘅過程嘅裏邊，就係彼得3次唔認主嘅時候。
I'm sure he wished that Jesus would never know what just has happened.
彼得知道耶穌係知道佢係3次唔認主，
And yet Peter knows that Jesus knows what Peter just did.
彼得知道耶穌知道一切。
You didn't get to say goodbye.
佢冇機會同耶穌講再見。
You've just betrayed him.
剛剛出賣耶穌，
And Jesus knows all about it.
耶穌知道一切。
How do you handle that guilt?
你點樣處理？彼得點樣處理呢份嘅內疚？
So on that night, Peter just ran outside into the darkness and spent all night crying.
彼得就去到一個夜闌人靜嘅地方，就不斷嚎哭。
Peter must explain himself to Jesus.
彼得係一定佢要解釋俾耶穌知道。
He must meet Jesus and tell him that he didn't mean to do that.
佢好想向耶穌解釋話：我唔想咁做，我唔想咁做嘅。
He must meet Jesus and say, I am sorry, Jesus.
彼得一定會想同耶穌講：我真係對唔住，真係對唔住。
But you know, he didn't get to have that chance. That chance never came to him.
但係你知道彼得冇呢個機會同耶穌講。
Jesus was crucified and was dead.
耶穌係被釘十字架。
Peter wasn't even able to watch him die. He was so distant from Jesus.
當耶穌基督釘十字架嘅時候，彼得同十字架距離非常之遠。
How do you live on with that guilt?
彼得點樣繼續同罪疚感一齊行呢？
So today's passage opens up with Peter and a number of his disciples
今日嘅經文咧講到彼得同埋門徒，
not knowing what to do.
佢哋真係唔知道做啲乜嘢。
And Peter says, guys, I don't know, but I'm going for fishing.
彼得話對啲門徒講：我唔知做乜嘢啦，不如我就去捕魚啦。
We know that Peter is not planning a holiday.
我哋知道彼得唔係去旅行，
We know that Peter is not trying to make profit by catching fish.
佢唔係想做即係一個先知話我去捕到魚啊。
With the pain and with that broken heart,
一個破碎同埋傷心。
and the thing is, the rest of the disciples felt the same.
特別就係其他嘅門徒都一樣有呢個感受，
After all, they too ran away on that night.
因為當時都係同其他門徒都係逃跑咗，
None of these people had a chance to say goodbye to goodbye to Jesus.
都係冇機會咧同耶穌去講再見。
And they said, Peter, I'm going with you.
所以嗰班門徒都講，同彼得講話，我都同你一齊去捕魚啦。
So all this group of men went out to Galilee and started fishing all night.
整班人就去到加利利海裏邊捕魚。
Obviously, they were not interested in catching fish.
其實好明顯，其實佢哋真係冇興趣去捕魚。
All night in a boat, being tossed by a wave.
喺船上，喺船上，
They caught nothing.
佢哋捉唔到魚，
They couldn't care less.
佢哋捉唔到魚。
But very early in the morning,
喺次日嘅早晨，
this stranger on shore tries to make a conversation with them.
對外一個嘅陌生人就講到話，嘗試同佢哋有呢個對話。
This man says, "Hey boys, did you catch any fish?"
你哋釣唔釣到魚啊？你哋釣唔釣到魚啊？
You hear that all the time when you go out for fishing, you know.
當我哋釣魚嘅時候，我哋成日都聽到㗎啦。
People come say, "Hey, did you catch any?"
你
You know?
釣唔釣到魚啊？釣唔釣到魚啊？
So when they heard this man yelling at them, "Hey, did you catch any?"
當呢個人咧聽到對岸嘅人去同佢講話嘅時候，
They just answered, "No, no."
聽冇啊冇啊。
And he said, "Hey boys, why don't you try, casting the net to that right-hand side?"
點解你哋唔將呢個網咧撒去右邊呢？
And they said, "Okay, whatever, just throw the net."
門徒同埋彼得就話冇所謂啦，拋去右邊啦。
No passion, no willingness.
一種好隨意，冇乜動力。
And all of a sudden, what they experienced?
但係突然間佢哋經歷乜嘢啊？
They caught so much fish.
佢哋打到好多嘅魚。
And one of the disciples said, "It is him!"
其中一個門徒就話：就係佢啦，就係佢啦。
And as soon as Peter heard that,
當彼得聽到嘅時候，
he grabbed the coat and guess what he did? He just jumped into the water and started swimming.
佢就攞起衫，佢就跳落個海度去游水啦。
There are so many things that Peter wants to say to Jesus.
彼得非常多説話咧，要同耶穌去講，
With pain and guilt,
有痛苦嘅言語，有內疚嘅言語。
when he heard that there was Jesus out there,
當佢聽到耶穌就喺對岸嘅時候，
it doesn't really matter how deep the water was.
嗰啲水深淺佢都唔
It didn't really matter
在乎啦，
how far he was away from the land.
有多遠都唔在乎啦，
He had to go and meet
因為
Jesus.
佢要見耶穌，
So as he was started swimming to the shore,
佢不斷去游上岸。
probably he started remembering things.
佢開始咧記得一啲嘅回憶。
3 years ago,
3年前，
same thing happened to him.
同樣嘅事情發生。
He spent all night trying to catch fish, but he caught nothing.
整夜都打唔到魚，
And that's when Jesus entered into his life.
就係耶穌進入佢嘅生命嘅時間。
Jesus came and said, "Peter, cast your net."
耶穌同佢哋講，同彼得講話，你
And he
要得人如
caught
得
so
魚，
much fish.
要得人如得魚。
As he swims to meet Jesus, he remembered that. That's how Jesus came to his life.
當整個游水嘅過程，彼得記得起以前嘅回憶。
And now Jesus is coming to his life again and doing the same thing to him.
呢一次就耶穌再一次進入彼得嘅生命嘅裏邊。
At one hand, he's so glad that Jesus returned to him.
一方面，彼得非常之感激耶穌再一次嚟到；
On the other hand, he feels so guilty.
另一方面，佢非常之內疚。
You know, he must say that he's sorry
佢心裏
for
邊
what
有
he's
好
done.
多要講道歉嘅説話，
So, you know, crying with all the tears, he's swimming to the shore.
一路游水一路哭泣。
And when they met Jesus,
當彼得見耶穌，
knowing that there are so many words to be expressed to Jesus,
好容易理解，應該有好多嘅説話咧要去講嘅，
none of them were able to say anything.
但好奇怪，冇人去講一句説話。
These are men.
呢個就係男人啦。
Ladies don't do that.
姊妹唔會咁做嘅。
Ladies can express themselves.
姊妹咧講嘢非常之流利。
Men, they have so many things to say, but they don't know how to express it.
男性非常之內斂，唔識得去表達佢嘅。
Typical men, they are just having breakfast,
佢哋就繼續食早餐，
just eating,
佢哋不斷食嘢。
making eye contact with Jesus,
佢哋同耶穌
Their
有
heart
眼神交流，
but just eating.
佢哋就不斷食嘢食早餐。
These men need assistance.
佢需呢個男人需要幫助。
If there were wives there,
如果佢太
wife
太
said,
喺隔離，
Peter, say something. Peter.
彼得唔係老公講嘢啊！
But men, all by themselves, they're so helpless.
佢哋非常之無助。
And they finished breakfast.
當佢哋
And
完
Bible
咗早餐
says
嘅時候，
they all knew that he was Jesus, but none of them dared to say anything.
每一個都知道嗰個係耶穌，但係冇一個願意同耶穌講説話。
But we are all expecting certain conversations to take place.
但係好理所當然係應該有好多嘅對話。
Jesus begins to speak first.
耶穌開始第一個嘅講話。
He makes an eye contact with Peter and says, Peter, do you love me?
耶穌同彼得有眼神交流，同彼得講話：你愛我麼？
Out of all those words that Jesus could say, why is Jesus using the love word?
我哋即刻想象耶穌點解你會講呢句説話呢？
Out of guilt, out of pain, Peter begins to express himself.
喺彼得嘅痛苦同埋內疚嘅裏邊咧，佢開始去講説話。
I mean, he must say he's sorry, he must explain himself.
佢會開始會講道歉，佢開始講內疚。
But being a typical man, he can't do that.
但係佢係一個佢
He
就
just-
係一個男人唔能夠
He
講。
just says, Lord, you know that I love
佢只
you.
係講話耶穌，你知道我愛你，
That's it.
就係咁啦。
It's like husbands to wives and Mother's Day today.
就好似
Men,
啲男人咁樣同啲
men, they don't know
太太
how to
講。
express that love to their loved ones.
男人咧唔識得表達愛向佢太太表達愛。
When your wife says, hey, honey, do you love me?
當太太喂你愛唔愛我啊？
You answer, I said I loved you 10 years ago.
我已經講話我10年前愛你啦。
Until I say I don't love you, that still is valid.
直至我講話我唔愛你咧，過去講愛你咧係仍然有效㗎，
That's man.
就係男人啦。
So Jesus asked Peter again, second time, Peter, do you truly love me?
所以耶穌去同彼得講話：你係咪真係愛我？
Peter must explain himself. And yet Peter says, Lord, you know that I love you.
彼得唔知得點樣答，只係回答話：
You know
耶
that's
穌，
not
你知道
enough.
我愛你，
That's,
你知
no,
道
that's
我
not
愛
enough.
你。
So Jesus asked him for the third time,
Yes.
Peter, do you truly love me?
耶穌再一次問你係咪愛我啊？
And Peter says, Lord, you know my heart that I love you.
彼得就佢再講話：你知道啊，耶穌，你知道我嘅心。
3 times Peter failed.
3次彼得嘅不認主，
3 times Peter denied Jesus.
3次彼得不認主。
Now, 3 times he's confessing the love to Jesus.
再3次喺彼得喺耶穌面前承認佢嘅罪。
Jesus knows what's going on.
耶穌知道發生嘅一切，
Peter knows what is happening.
彼得亦都知道發生一切。
how do you recover yourself from that failure?
弟兄姊妹，到底人點樣去處理失敗呢？
How do you forgive yourself once you failed that miserably?
我哋點樣去接受同埋面對我哋嘅失敗呢？
How can you accept yourself?
我哋點樣接受我哋自己啊？
Big issues and problems Peter is having.
彼得心裏邊有非常之多嘅歉疚。
And Jesus says,
耶穌講，
each time Peter expressed, I love you, Jesus answered,
當每一次彼得去講話耶穌我愛你，耶穌
if you
再
love
講嘅
me,
時候，
if you love me, feed my sheep.
如果你愛我，就餵養我嘅小羊。
Second time,
第二次，
if you love me, care for my sheep.
如果你係真係愛我，你就照
And
顧我
third
嘅小
time,
羊。
if you truly love me,
第三次，
feed my sheep.
耶穌都繼續講話去餵養我嘅羊。
Friends, if you really love Jesus,
各位弟兄姊妹，
and
若
if
我
you
哋真係
really
非
want
常之
to,
愛耶穌，
if you really want to confess your love to Jesus,
我哋真係好想去承認我哋對主嘅愛，
you do that by loving Jesus' people.
就讓我哋透過愛耶穌所愛嘅人，
You express your love to Jesus by loving the church.
透過咧去愛教會咧，表達對耶穌基督嘅愛。
You express your love to Jesus by loving, serving, feeding the church.
透過牧養、透過關愛去表達你對耶穌嘅熱愛。
You cannot deny each other's relationship and still say you love Jesus.
你唔可以話咧，我哋彼此咧不認識，但係我哋又話愛。
Our beloved brother Henry has passed away.
當 Henry 弟兄咧已經離開咗呢個世界，
We didn't get to have a chance to say goodbye to him.
我哋冇機會咧去同佢講再見。
But we all know we love him.
但係我相信佢知道我哋愛佢。
How are you going to prove your love of him?
我哋點樣去證明我哋呢份嘅愛呢？
You will prove your love of him by caring and looking after his loved ones.
就係去關心同埋關愛佢所關愛嘅人。
More you love him, more care and loving that you will commit your life to his loved ones.
多愛，我哋就多去關心教會裏邊嘅羊。
More you love Jesus,
我哋多愛耶穌，
more you will look after Jesus' loved ones.
我哋就去更多愛耶穌所愛嘅羊群。
May God bless you today.
願神祝福我哋。